Do you need an installation or sewer line repair? Are you aware that if a city sewer line runs through your property, you become responsible for that section of line? Blockages in the main sewer line will make sewage water find its way back up the pipes in the home. You may have a non-return valve. The non-return valve prevents sewer backup that may cause a flood in your home/property. Ottawa Plumbing Service will help in the installation of the non-return valve. Additionally, we have the equipment and expertise to get rid of plugs. We recommend the two-step approach in unblocking your main pipeline. First, we will insert motorized and corrugated cables into the main line to destroy the blockage. The initial step is to re-establish base flow. The second step involves the use of the device to expel anything within the blockage that was not dislodged by the cable. You will be able to trust the friendly, skillful professionals at Ottawa Plumbing Service. Call our Ottawa plumbers today at 613-317-1682 or just email us.